Good morning everyone. This is Neha Jain. For this semester, I will be teaching you petroleum geology. So let us start with this subject. Before starting this subject, we need to understand what is geology means, why we are studying this subject. Okay, and the second important thing, what is the need of studying geology for petroleum industry. So first we will cover what is the definition of geology. Geology is nothing. In this branch, we study all about the earth. Means it covers the surface and subsurface area of the earth. It includes its origin, its composition, its physical and chemical properties, different kind of structures, all about the surface and subsurface. Subsurface means the part below the surface of the earth. As a petroleum engineers, we are more interested in the subsurface part. Okay, so what is the geology means? Geology is the branch which is devoted to the study of earth. It deals with all of the earth's surface and subsurface involving its origin, how it was formed, physical and chemical properties. There are different kind of minerals we found in the subsurface area of earth. So all the minerals having a different type of composition, their physical structures are different, their chemical properties are different. So we study all about this in the branch geology. Okay, so next, there are different branches in geology in which we cover all about the earth. These are the different branches: physical geology, mineralogy, petrology, structural geology, paleontology, economic geology, stratigraphy, geophysics, sedimentology, oceanography, geochemistry, and the last, mining geology. So, as a petroleum engineer, there are few branches in which we are interested. These branches are: first one is the mineralogy, the second one is petrology, third one is structural geology, next is stratigraphy and geophysics, and the last is sedimentology. Through all these branches, we cover the petroleum geology in which we are interested in. So, I will cover these branches in detail in next slides. Okay. Branches of geology useful to petroleum engineers. So, the first branch in which we are interested in is mineralogy. In mineralogy, as we know that there are different kinds of minerals we found in the subsurface structure of earth. Subsurface means the area below the surface of earth. So the minerals may be, example of minerals are quartz, feldspar, mica, etc. So in this branch of geology, we study all about the composition, the physical properties, the chemical properties, the occurrence where we can find these minerals. So all these we cover in this branch. The next branch is the petrology. In this branch, we deals about the various types of rocks, how they were formed, their composition, their structure, where in which basin we can find which type of rock. Actually, there are basically three types of rock. The first one is first rock is igneous rock. Second is sedimentary rock. Third one is metamorphic rock. There are these three types of rocks. In petroleum geology, we are more interested in sedimentary rock. Why so? Because we need to find out crude oil reservoirs. We can find out crude oil reservoirs mostly in sedimentary rocks. Okay, so we are more interested in sedimentary rocks. In this petrology branch, we study all about the rocks, their formation, their occurrence, their structure, what kind of texture of the rocks. This is all involved in this branch. Okay, so next branch is structural geology. As we know that there are so many different kind of structures on earth. For example, there are some mountains and valley, there are some rivers, okay, there are some basins. So in this branch we study all about the structure. As a petroleum engineer, we are more interested in the subsurface part. In the subsurface part, for example, this is our surface. This is the surface of Earth. In the subsurface part, there may be many kind of structure. It is formed of so many kind of rocks. These rocks can be any kind of structure. Like parallel structure, in this type of dome structure, anticlinal structure, syncline structure. There are different kind of structures of rock. In this branch of geology, we study the different structures of these rocks. We will later cover these different type of structures through this branch. Okay. The next one is stratigraphy. In stratigraphy, for example, in stratigraphy? Maybe there is a deposition take place. These are the old rocks. There is a time gap where no deposition takes place, and after this time gap, again their deposition gets started of some newer rock. So, in this picture, there is a time gap. In this branch, we study the time of the rock, from what time era they were belong, what kind of structures of there. We study all about rocks and how they were formed, their layering, all about them. Okay. So next branch is geophysics. This is a very important branch, or I can say it's a total subject, geophysics. In this branch, we use so many principle of physics. Mainly three methods are there. These methods are seismic, gravity method, and third one is magnetic method. So in this branch of geology, which is geophysics, by using these three methods, we form three-dimensional structure, layering of subsurface part of Earth. Like as I have explained you, this is the surface. There are so many structures. Different kind of structures are there. So we using these three methods, draw draw a image of these kind of structures which is below the surface of the earth using this branch. Okay. So next is the branch sedimentology. As I have explained you, there are three kinds of rock. First one is igneous, second one is sedimentary rock, and the third one is metamorphic rock. So we are most interested in sedimentary rocks. In this branch, we study about how the sediments are transmitted. Sediments are nothing. These are small particles which are weathered from a mountain or some kind of rock, and they are transported through river and deposited on a basin. Okay, so because of deposition take place, these are small particles. For example, they are get deposited at some place. The deposition will continue. Because of this deposition, this is the surface of the rock. Because of this deposition continue cut process, the and overburden pressure, there will be an extreme pressure on these sediments, so they will get compacted and form a rock. In this branch we will study how these sediments are weathered, how they are transported, and how they are forming a rock type of structure. Got it? So these were the all branches which we will cover in the next part in detail. So next we need to, our second important question was why we are studying petroleum geology. What is the scope of geology in our petroleum industry and what is its uses? So petroleum geology is the study of origin, occurrence, movement, accumulation, and exploration of hydrocarbon fuels. First, I can say that geology is the first stream which we are, this is a basic stream which we are at very first using for the survey of any kind of basin, for the research of fuel, like where we can find hydrocarbon crude, where we can find the oil resources below the surface of the earth. So for this survey we study petroleum geology. As you can see in this picture, there is a source rock. These source rock are the rock. These source rock are the rock where our petroleum crude oil will form, will origin. Origin of the crude oil will be formed in the source rock. Example of source rock are generally shale, because this source rock have very good porosity. Porosity means its storage capacity, how much volume it can store within it. But so it is having a very good amount of crude oil, but there is no permeability in this source rock. Permeability means the transportation capacity of any rock, so that it can transport any fluid throughout it. So there is no permeability in this source rock. Due to this overburden pressure of rocks, there will be extreme pressure and temperature. So because of this extreme pressure and temperature condition, this oil which was formed, the crude oil which was formed in the source rock, it will find its paths through this rock. This complete rock is our reservoir rock, where we can find, this is reservoir rock, where at the time of research or finding crude oil, we find crude oil in this reservoir rock. Example of reservoir rock are generally sandstone, carbonate reservoir, limestone, dolomite, etc. So in this reservoir rock, there are the gas, oil and water will take place like this. This migration of source rock to reservoir rock is known as primary migration. Then when primary migration will take place, throughout this reservoir rock have a very good porosity, also very good amount of permeability. Both things are present in their reservoir rock. So it will migrate in this reservoir rock until it take a very good dome-like structure. Okay, so these are the structure we need to find to get hydrocarbon resources. So in this geology branch, we study this petroleum geology to find out these kind of structures where we can find hydrocarbon resources. So this was all about what is the use of geology, why we are studying this subject to find out hydrocarbon fuels. Okay. So in this presentation, it was introductory class in which we have covered what is the role of geology and why we are studying what is its role in petroleum industry as well as. In next slide, we will study the branch mineralogy in detail.